The main purpose of the fifth paragraph from lines 38 to 47 is to what? I'm using the same strategy I've been using throughout and covering up the choices so that I can force myself to make predictions about what I think the answer is going to be. So I'm going to rip-rap, right? Rephrase if possible, and then read around and predict. So rephrasing this question, the main purpose of the fifth paragraph is what? So I'm going to rephrase that as, what is the author trying to get at? What is the author trying to achieve with the fifth paragraph? And so let's go over to the text and see if we can make a prediction. Oh, and I wrote down here during the, let me zoom out a little bit. So during the question survey step, I wrote a 5 here to signal this is question 5. It also happens to be paragraph 5. And I wrote in the margins, focus on actions. And taking a quick look, let me expose we're at the right paragraph. I wanted to expose the line numbers. Taking a quick look at the first line, it introduces this new idea. There is yet another approach, and I'd written in the side, focus on action. So I think that what this paragraph is doing, what the author wants to do here, is introduce this focus on the actions. We can focus on our actions themselves instead of rooting ethics in character, which is our Greek idea, or the consequences of actions, which is from Smith. We can focus on our actions themselves. Okay, so I'm going to say that the purpose of this fifth paragraph here is to introduce a new idea, a third way. So let me write down my prediction. The main purpose of the fifth paragraph is to introduce a third way of thinking about ethical economics. So let's take a look at these choices now. So the main purpose is to develop a counter-argument to the claim that greed is good. That doesn't match our prediction. Choice B, provide support to the idea that ethics is about character. We know that's about a different paragraph. I'm going to cross that one off. C, describe a third approach to defining ethical economics. There we go. It matches our prediction. Let's see what what D is, see if D is even stronger. All right, so D says, the main purpose of the fifth paragraph is to illustrate that one's actions are a result of one's character. Okay, not really, I think. The fifth paragraph is about actions, and the previous paragraph is about character. But this choice doesn't match our prediction, right? Our prediction is that it's going to introduce a third way that one's actions are a result of one's character. On test day, I want to encourage you to trust your prediction. That has to do with a different paragraph. And don't get distracted by choices that sound kind of interesting or kind of plausible. I can't tell you how many students we see making mistakes by just reading the question and then reading the choices and choosing the one that sounds the best. So many students get so many questions wrong by approaching them like that. The best thing that you can do to guard against choosing wrong choices is to arm yourself with a prediction. It might feel like it takes longer than just looking at the question and then the answers, but it actually doesn't. When you have a strong prediction, you don't have to waste time considering each choice and giving each choice the benefit of the doubt. Come up with a prediction and then test against it.